How to fix camera glitch after iOS update on iPhone. Guys, if you update your iPhone to the latest version iOS 26.4.1 and your camera is misbehaving, is not showing very well, then here is what you need to do to fix update settings. First, go to the settings on your iPhone, tap on it, then scroll up to camera, tap on camera, scroll down to the base of this page, tap on lock screen swipe to open camera, toggle it off. Once you toggle this off, try and open the camera again on your iPhone. If the issue is not fixed, then do the next thing. The next thing is very simple, is to tap on the settings again on your device, go ahead and tap on general, then tap on software updates. Now wait a bit for this page to load up. If there's any update here, guys, make sure you update the latest version of the update on your device. This might help you fix this issue on your device. And if this is not fixed, for example, you tap on the camera again and you still have the glitch again, then try. The next thing is to first restart your iPhone. Tap on the volume up, volume down and power button until the phone screen goes off and bring out the Apple logo again. Once it brings out the Apple logo, then allow your phone to boot properly, then go ahead and tap on the camera again. This should fix the iPhone camera on your iPhone if you really update to the new version. So if you enjoy what I've explained and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.